Garth Brooks back on stage amid allegations of sexual assault and battery. Welcome to Access Hollywood from Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm Mario Lopez. And just hours after a lawsuit was reportedly filed by his former hairstylist and makeup artist, the show went on for Brooks as he accuses his accuser of extortion.
I never take for granted what a good man I'm married to. He's just a good man, and I am lucky to be married to my best friend.
That's Garth's wife, Tricia Yearwood, 4 months ago, nearly bringing her husband of 19 years to tears with her praise. So far, no public statement from Tricia, but just 3 days ago, she and Garth arrived hand in hand to work on a Habitat for Humanity project. And last night, after news of the rape allegation broke, Garth was back on stage for his Las Vegas residency, posting, "If there was ever a night that I really needed this, tonight was that night. Thank you for my life." The alleged rape occurred in May of 2019 when Brooks traveled to Los Angeles to perform and pay tribute to Sam Moore at a Recording Academy event. The alleged victim is accusing the 62-year-old singer of raping her in a hotel room, allegations Brooks denies. The woman, identified as Jane Rowe, is accusing Brooks of unwanted sexual conduct that includes rape, groping, lewd text messages, and exposing himself on multiple occasions. Brooks is claiming extortion and claims he refused to pay millions, saying in a statement, quote, "In my mind, that means I am admitting to behavior I am incapable of. Ugly acts no human should ever do to another." The accuser's attorney, who's the same man who represented Cassie Ventura in her sexual assault allegations against Diddy, countered, saying, "The suggestion made by Brooks that he was unwilling to pay millions is simply not true. It seems as though Sean Combs and Garth Brooks are using the same public relations team by attacking legitimate victims." Trial attorney Misty Marris says Brooks knew the accusations were coming, so last month his attorneys made a preemptive strike.
In that filing, he said that he knew allegations were being raised against him, that they are false, that he was being extorted, and that the court should basically stop the plaintiff's complaint from ever being filed. Clearly, that motion was not successful.
Just the fact that it was celebrating women tonight, being married to Tricia Yearwood and having 3 daughters myself, I loved the message tonight.
In 2019, 6 months after the alleged sexual assault, Brooks was celebrating Entertainer of the Year at the CMAs. The alleged victim continued working for him until 2020, but before that, she had worked for Tricia for 25 years, which Marris says has serious legal significance.
Tricia's name is peppered throughout the complaint, relating to interactions that she observed, things that she may have heard. So that means Tricia is going to have knowledge about her employment and perhaps information about her personal life in general.
What Tricia knows may or may not come out in court depending on what's protected under spousal privilege, but as for Tricia making an official statement, Marris says it probably won't happen.
Because Tricia Yearwood is potentially implicated as a witness in the civil litigation, she might want to steer clear of actually making a public statement, because that could open up the door to more factual inquiries or more discovery that would be demanded from her.
Well, Garth has another concert on Saturday in Las Vegas. We'll keep you posted, of course, on the very latest, but right now let's